Hello children, welcome to my mathematics class. Till now you have learnt many things about decimal numbers and you have learnt how to add, subtract and multiply decimal numbers. Today we will learn how to divide decimal numbers. For dividing decimal numbers there are two ways. First, when there is a whole number in divisor and decimal number in dividend. Then what we do, we raise the decimal to the roof, means just above the dividend we put the decimal number. Here we see 6.4 when divided by 4. First simple division, then decimal is put just above the decimal and we divide it as simple division. See some more examples. Here, if 18.24 is divided by 8, we divide it first as simple division, then we put the decimal just above it and we divide it as simple division. So, decimal point will come directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Here dividend decimal is here and we put the decimal in quotient here. One more example. Here when decimal is at the first place, so we raise it to the first place, put the decimal first and then we divide it as a normal division. One more example is here. Here 4.23 when divided by 5. So first number is less than the divisor. So we put the decimal here and now take it as a whole number and we divide it. But here we keep on dividing till we get remainder 0 by adding zeros to the remainder. So in the division of decimals, we can divide it as many times till we get remainder 0 by adding 0 to the remainder we get after subtraction. So here we have added 0 to the remainder and we kept on dividing till we get 0 as remainder. Now division of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So here what we have to remember, to divide a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, we just shift the decimal point in the quotient to the left by as many places as there are zeros in the divisor. Means if there is 1 0, that is 10, it has 1 0, then we shift decimal to 1 place. If there are 2 zeros, we shift decimal to 2 places. If there are 3 zeros, we shift decimal to 3 places. So this is the way to divide orally by 10, 100 and 1000. Now the next type of division is division of decimal number by another decimal number. When we divide decimal number by a decimal number, we have two ways to divide it. First is to change the division as fraction. Express the division as fraction and then solve it. Like here we have 1.6 and 0.4. We write it as a fraction. So both has 1 decimal places. So we multiply it by 10, the numerator, and denominator has also 1 decimal places. So we multiply it by 10 and now we get a whole number and we divide it simply. See another example here. 9.63 divided by 0.09. So both has two decimal places. So we multiply numerator by 100 and denominator by 100. And now this becomes, both the numbers become a whole number and we divide it simply. So this is the way to divide it without dividing it taking decimals. But this can be understood by one more way, that is the second rule. The second rule is sliding the decimal to the right of the number. Like if we have number 1.6 and 0.4. So what we do? We slide the decimal to the right place. So one place is here, one decimal places, we slide it to right one place, and we slide one place in the dividend also. So when we do this, the divisor become a whole number and dividend become a whole number. Now we can divide it as a simple decimal number. So this is one second rule of dividing, that is sliding the decimal to as many places as in the divisor. Second example was 9.63 when divided by 0.09. So here two decimal places are here. We shift the decimal to 2, slide it to the right by 2 places. So here also we slide it to the 2 places, decimal to 2 places. Now this will become 9 and this will become 963. Now we can divide it as a simple division. So we get here 107. So this is the way, second way of dividing a decimal number by decimal number. Some more types of division are here. When we have divisor, dividend as a whole number and divisor as a decimal number. So what we do here? We change it into a fractional number by multiplying the denominator by 100 and numerator by 100. So we get here 3600 by 45 and we divide it as simple division. Second example is here 65 when divided by 0.013. So for converting it into a whole number, we multiply it by 1000 and we multiply the numerator also by 1000. So this is 65,000 by 13 and we divide it, we get here the number. But this can be understood by division method also. How? That is the second rule, sliding the decimal to So what we do here? We shift the decimal to 3 places here. But here there are no decimals. So we put 3 zeros here. Why? Because there are no decimal, it means the decimal is here after the number and we slide it to 3 place. So for sliding 3 places we have to put 3 zeros here. So this number will now become 13 divided by 65,000. Now we can divide it as simple division and we put here 3 zeros. So this is the way, second way of dividing the decimal number by sliding the decimals to the right of the number. Now another way is in the decimal numbers is conversion of fraction into decimal number, where we convert a fraction to decimal number. What we do? Fraction, here the dividend is less than the divisor, so we put here 0 and then we put here a decimal so that we get here one more 0 to make it a bigger, larger number than the divisor, and then we divide it and then we get a remainder 0. So continue the division till you get remainder 0. Place a decimal next to 0, add 0 to the remainder and continue the division till we get remainder 0. Another example is here. 37 is taken here. We get remainder 5. Now we put decimal here and we add 0. Now we continue the division till we get the remainder 0. So this is the division of fractional numbers. Now the properties of division of decimal numbers. First property is the decimal number divided by 1 is the decimal number itself. If 0 divided by any decimal number, we get 0, and a decimal number divided by itself is 1. These are the 3 properties of decimal numbers. So these are the things which you have to learn in division of decimal numbers. So children, practice these type of questions and try to understand the division of decimal numbers. Thank you.